So guys, if you are an international student who has been waiting to come to Canada but you could not because of these travel restrictions which were imposed due to COVID-19, then there is a good news because IRCC very recently updated all the steps to overcome these restrictions and see whether you can come to Canada or not. So these updates were updated on the Canadian immigration website very recently, and in this video I'm going to tell you very clearly as to what you must be keeping an eye on. And starting October 2020, you could be one of those very few international students who could find themselves on a plane to Canada. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and in this video I'm going to be sharing that update and news with you. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and this particular channel is all about Canadian immigration, any IRCC update, the immigration programs, refugees and citizenship program related delivery updates. If you want any of that information, then this is the program, this is the channel that you must be watching. If you are new to this particular channel and watching it for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. This particular bell icon is going to keep you updated on all the updates and new videos that are released on this particular channel related to Canadian immigration. So guys, let's just get on with this video, and we are going to be discussing about international students and their travel restrictions which were imposed due to COVID-19 in the past months. So guys, COVID-19 has actually stopped a lot of travelers and authorized people, permanent residents and a lot of other travelers from coming to Canada. But IRCC has been taking a lot of measures to help curb these effects of COVID-19. So in this particular update, which was released on the Canadian IRCC website very recently, it says that starting October 2020, some international students will be allowed to come to Canada. Now, who are these? It is basically totally based on which institution are you studying in. Okay, now at present while we talk, there are a lot of DLIs, basically a designated learning institution or a college or a university, which is going to be coordinating with its province or a territory for submitting the COVID-19 readiness plan. Now, if their COVID-19 readiness plan has been approved by the province or the territory that they are in, then they should be able to reopen to international students who are currently outside Canada. Okay, a new list of this institutions, DLIs, colleges and universities will be available on the IRCC website starting or on or before of the October 20th, 2020. Okay, now if you plan to come to Canada as an international student, then you should be studying in one of these DLIs who are going to be on this list, which is going to be available soon. Guys, do keep in mind that this particular change will apply to all students outside Canada. If you are traveling through the US or you are traveling through anywhere in the world, then if you are an international student for Canada, then this particular change or the list applies to you as well. For some students who are actually inside Canada, this rule is not for you, but do keep in mind that if you leave Canada right now, you can only come back if you are a student of these institutes who are going to be on the list of COVID-19 readiness. Okay, so guys, be very sure that you are coming to Canada on a condition that you are going to be studying or going to be a part of those institutions. The list will be announced on the IRCC website very soon. Be tuned for more updates. Okay, so once again, my details are there in the description box below. If you want to study in Canada or if you have any questions about these travels, you can find my details to contact me. I am here inside Canada. I practice here in Brampton, and you can always speak to me, get in touch with me, and I'll try my best to help you out. Once again, all the best and hope to see you soon in Canada.